Welcome to episode 15 of Algo Trading series from Market Secrets. In this episode, we are going to learn how to code exponential moving average crossover trading strategy. So let's get into the trade setup. This is another very simple strategy, and I hope you will be familiar with this strategy as well. We will be using exponential moving average crossover to take buying or selling decisions. This may look like a very simple strategy on paper, but it is a very effective strategy, especially when it comes to algo trading. So moving on to the buy condition, we will buy when 2-period exponential moving average crosses above 3-period exponential moving average. And we will sell when 2-period exponential moving average crosses below 3-period exponential moving average. So this is very simple and straightforward strategy. So let's begin with the script setup now. The first part of the script is self-explanatory. These are used for setting up the chart title and assign the value to the parameters to be used for backtesting, which we have already discussed in detail in the previous episodes, so I'm skipping this part. The next four lines are used for assigning the price of buying, selling, shorting, and covering. So we will always be using open price of the next candle as our price. And the next two lines are used to set up the parameters for exponential moving average. So we are using 2-period and 3-period exponential moving average. So I have used the values 2 and 3 here. And the next part is critical, which represents the buy and sell statements. We will buy when 2-period exponential moving average crosses above 3-period exponential moving average. And we will sell when 2-period exponential moving average crosses below 3-period exponential moving average. And like always, we are using the next two lines of code to remove the excess buying and selling decisions. That is, at any point, there will be one active position only. And the next two lines are used for shorting and covering conditions, which is nothing but selling and buying conditions. This indicates we will be taking reverse positions whenever we exit any trade. So this indicates we will always be in a trade at any point in time. The next three lines are used for plotting the price and the 2-point and 3-point exponential moving averages that we are using in the charts. And the last part is used to plot the shapes like up arrow and down arrow in the chart whenever there is a buy or sell signal. So if you look at the chart, you can spot the buy and sell signals using the up and down arrows or the red and green arrows. And you can also spot the exponential moving averages, that is 2-point and 3-point exponential moving averages. So if you look at here, this is the moving average. So moving on to the back test, you can run the back test on the code to find its performance. So I'm going to run the back test now on Nifty and Bank Nifty for a period of 6 months. And this is being executed on a Harley time frame, and I'm taking only the long positions. So I'm going to run the back test now. So I'm navigating to the reports. So if you look at the results, this strategy generates approximately 17 lakh profits on a capital of 2 lakhs in 6 months. So if you open the reports, you will be able to see this strategy is giving an annual return of 6,000%. So I'm going back to the back test and I'm switching the time frame to 15 minutes. I'm going to rerun the back test now and I'm navigating to the end of the report. So if you look at here, this strategy generates approximately 8 lakh rupees profit on a capital of 2 lakh rupees in just 6 months with an annual return of approximately 1800%. The numbers are mind blowing, isn't it? That's the power of simple strategies, especially in algo trading. You can play around the parameters that we have used in this strategy to optimize the returns. So you can change the moving averages, or you can change the time frame, and you can change the type of the trade, or you can change the symbols that you want to trade. So you can play around with all these parameters to optimize this strategy even further. So do give this a try and let us know in case of any issues. If you have any queries, comments, or feedback about this episode, please drop it down in the comment section. We'll be happy to address it. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.